Have a great day to all friends, followers, listeners. How are you all? Hope all the fun is doing very awesome. Today, going to show you an awesome strategy which is based on three moving averages. A lot of people inbox me and they ask me for a scalping strategy. So today, going to show you the scalping strategy. It's really very awesome, and the same strategy I'm using for scalping, and also pasting the same strategy signals in my own group. And I will show you the results here. Let's see, this is my own group, and look here, we making profit continuously and also people earning the money. And look here, and this is the best strategy if you guys want to earn and also want to join our group. So it's the group, I will paste the link in the description, and you guys join this group and make awesome profit daily basis. Could we paste the awesome signal free of cost? Okay, we don't charge any fee, any other subscription fee for monthly and weekly charges. So if you guys want to make awesome profit and good money, join our account management. Our signal service is free of cost. I will paste the link description. And so let's get started back to MT5, and let's see what's the strategy and how to use this strategy. First of all, I want to tell you, please always use the money management and follow the trend. How to predict the trend, I also shared the knowledge how to predict the trend. Simply go and check my videos is with title how analyze market by self. So now let's get started and see how we set up the strategy. First of all, we need to moving average. Okay, and the 13 one, first of all we'll add the 13 one, 1 3 13. Okay guys, this is the 12 one. Let me change this to 13, and method will be exponential. Look here, the 13 method will be exponential. Apply to close, choose any color, there is no problem. Okay, apply to close, color any, there is no problem, and simply click on done. Okay, again go and click on the moving average. We just need to add one more moving average, which is the period with 21. Here is the 21 exponential moving average right there. You just set up and simply click on done. And once done, let's get back and simply click on moving average, and after simply click on 9. Okay, delete the whole one. 9, choose any color you like. Okay, there is no any recommendation, and right there your strategy is set up. Let me rotate my device and show you how to trade using this strategy. It's really very awesome and a very easy strategy. If you guys want to make profit, use M5 time frame, and once M time, look here how to make awesome profit. Look, it is continuously showing downward. So if you want to make profit, open the sale trade and earn some dollars. Okay, and look here, and once you go for buy, look here, as you all guys know the behavior of a moving average, how it use moving averages. So it's the way once a moving average crossing each other and go in trend of a bullish and a bearish, so it's mean the buy and sell signal, as you guys also aware from the moving average behavior. So right there, look here, the moving average is crossing each other and continuously is going downwards, which means that sale signal is active, and right now you can make awesome profit using M5 time frame, any index, no problem. But please don't use on boom and crash, because boom and crash have another nature. And look here, okay, at the same a sale signal and awesome, and once you get the sale signal, go for sale. Look at there is a market going falling right now, and the sale is active. If you want to make profit, you can easily enter in the sale and you will make profit. Okay, look here, I will never miss this opportunity, and I will open the sale order. Okay guys, look here, the sale opportunity is right now there, and you just open the trade in a sale position, volatility 25 1s index, and right now is moving in our position. And let's see, we'll hold this position and see. Okay guys, so if you want to make profit using this, look here, is right there in profit, is going in my side. I will hold this position and check. Okay guys, so once the moving average cross each other and start a trend, so it means a buy and the sale, it will be clearly visible on your chart. And once the green candle start and moving average cross each other from downside to upside, so it means that moving average is crossing and that bullish trend is started, so you will enter for a buy. Okay, and when you see that the moving average is crossing downwards, so it means look here at the buy position. An awesome signal of a buy and look at awesome profit. Work with patience, work with good money management, you will easily make awesome profit. Okay guys? And look here also, a sale opportunity. I find this strategy and test it. It's really working very awesome. So please use this strategy and make awesome profit. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and enjoy this strategy. I will wait for your feedback. Please, there any question, type in comment. I am here to help you. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you guys receive the latest videos notification at time. Thanks for watching.